Hi guys, today we'll start how to do the Excel file and how to post in MPV, the GRN. Okay, how to build the Excel file. You go the first time to master data. We'll check with our files, my files. I will share with you guys. My last reception is 2663. We'll check it in 2663. Yeah, and we'll copy all of them on down. Copy and pass here. Now, because you need to be carefully, we have the new code here. You insert here because I say here material and the new material code. And insert here a new column. Insert left right. Okay, good. And you go down here. Here, for one, need to bring exchange rates and the unit price because need to additional for abroad 20% and for local you don't do additional nothing. We'll set again a two column. Insert two column. Okay, good. We start with new Leons. I select for new Leons. Oh, let's take by one. Euro. We have euro. You just copy here because look here. You have exchange rate for the unit price for 120%. We have just copy this one and go down. Enter. Next, we'll take the next one. GBP. We don't have nothing because it's empty here. New Leons. Start from here. Just copy. If you look at the formula, we don't have 120%. Just copy and go down. Enter. Next, USD. We don't have nothing. By USD we have 1 because 1 to 1. Okay, that I have nothing. We give all. Okay, but because we have this MD here, but for the future you don't need because you have already the new one code. I just make like this now. Just copy, make here, enter. Because you have the same bots, but I need to complete for this one. Other feature you don't need to complete this one. And I need to go to update master data here. We have master data here. Okay, go back here. Save a lookup. I look for this. Where I go to the master data here. This I select this through column one. That means select the second. I put all the time to print false. False. I just copy. Kill here. Enter. Let me block the edit. Red line. I give the save. Okay, good. Now my file is ready. We'll go in MPV. We go to inventory parts. Okay, here we'll input the new code. This one. This new code, yeah. Copy. Enter. Open. Go to action here. Quick reception. Okay, you put here the first time GRN number. Just copy from here. Okay, after the date it's 5. I go here for 5 April. Go back here to quantity delivered 8. Okay. I go to the new unit price, this one, because all it's in dollars. Control V. After I finish, okay. For me to be done, I mark, I say with yellow, it's done. Next one, this, take, next one, just put here, enter. You check here if you update, it's update, yeah? Go, quick reception, here. I put the documents, GRN, copy, here. Date is the 5, change the date, 5. Quantity for deliver, this is 8. Unit price, that. Okay. Good. Let me teach you even how to cut a report. Reports, go here, go to my reports. You're supposed to have here, one is named stock movement notes. Stock movement notes, you see this one? Click inside. Okay, data range. You can choose last 7 days, last 2 weeks, last 2. Today it's 11. Let's just say last 2 weeks, yeah? For April. Okay, transaction date doesn't matter here. I go here to transaction. I select all after I remove and capture only the quick receive. Yes? Okay. I give run. Good. You have here material, code, the date, and very important for us, GRN. Quantity, unit cost, transaction cost. Everything. Let's export. How to export? We select from here, Excel. Here, this one. We push for export. Okay, click here. We'll open the Excel. It's open. Enable. You go file, save as, and save in your computer, yeah? Okay. Just save. Put the name, put everything. And this is a report for what you worked today, yesterday, or last 2 weeks. It's your verification, the key, how to check if you post or not you post in the system. You can, it's better for yourself to export this one. Less are 2 days, less in every day. Example, if you do today, you have the, let's come back here to the report small, here, you have here today. If I do today, run again, you show me, supposed to show me exactly what I do, that's 2 lines today. It's not, you know why it don't show me? Because the date is 5. Okay. If you was today, reception today was fine. If you was on 11. But the date is 5. I don't know if I can possibility to put only the 5 here. 5. No, this is much. 5. I don't know. You not select.
Select use date.
Run report. Or use a date maybe. Which date is this one? This, no. Let's to use exactly how you say user dates. Yeah. No work. Let's to put like this. No. April 4. April 5 is the date.
April 5 was a Sunday, no reception done on Sunday.
Yes, just till the 7th.
No, what's here something to select the transaction dates? Create a date, yeah. Current report.
No? I think if you don't carry yourself.
Okay, left, it's enough. It no work.